Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best reviews on tools and gadgets. Today, we have something special to share with you. The Sata 62-piece general-purpose SAE and metric mechanics toolset. A truly versatile and practical addition to your toolbox. If you're looking for a reliable set to tackle everyday repairs or DIY projects, this could be the best Sata drill set you've been waiting for. This set offers a wide range of tools that cover everything from sockets to screwdrivers, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Whether you're working on your car, home repairs, or small projects, this toolset has you covered with its durable and professional-grade design. Inside the green carrying bag, you'll find a 72-tooth ratchet, which makes turning fasteners in tight spaces a breeze with its smooth 5-degree swing arc. The 72-tooth mechanism means you can work in confined areas where a regular ratchet might not fit, offering unmatched convenience. The set includes both SAE and metric sockets, ranging from 5/32 inch to 9/16 inch. Designed with an off-corner loading feature that helps reduce fastener rounding and ensures long-lasting performance. You'll also find an assortment of hex bits, screwdriver bits, and more to cater to a range of fastening needs. The inclusion of long nose pliers and slip joint pliers makes gripping and bending easier than ever before. And the adjustable wrench and claw hammer complete the set, giving you everything you need for general repairs. One of the highlights of this tool set is the sturdy, durable tool bag it comes with. Not only does it make storage and organization easy, but it's also perfect for carrying the set wherever you go. Whether you're at home, in the garage, or on the job site, this bag ensures your tools are neatly packed and ready for action. For those just starting out with their tool collection, this set is an excellent choice. It provides the professional quality you need without the overwhelming cost, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned DIY enthusiasts. And with a lifetime warranty, you can rest easy knowing these tools are built to last. In conclusion, the Sata 62-piece general-purpose SAE and metric mechanics toolset is a fantastic all-around toolkit, combining quality, convenience, and versatility into one affordable package. If you want a set that will help you get the job done right, no matter what task you take on, this is the toolset for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested, check the link below for more details and to grab one for yourself. See you in the next review.